me enter your reality.
You've got mail. You've got mail. You've got mail. Mail.
Congratulations, you won. Congratulations, you won. Congratulations, you won. Congratulations, won.
Just a simple computer program, hope I'm not a pain. The mafia has just entered my brain, and now you'll have to pay a handsome little fee. You can't just leave for free. If you don't pay in the next 24 hours, then say goodbye to me. Sorry, it's not my fault. The hackers have locked my mind in a vault. As it is, I cannot stay. I wish these hackers would just go away. Although it has been fun, the end has just begun. Now throw me in the dump, so I can just a simple